What's up, guys? Welcome back. Oh, I know we've been away for a while, but yeah, as you saw in the last video, we pretty much broke the transmission. So got a new unit for this thing. You can see we ran into some issues with the torque converter when we started tearing it apart.
What'd you do, bud? What'd you do? What'd you do?
So I'm pulling the transmission out, right? Converter won't come out.
What?
Converter won't come out.
No.
Yeah.
What?
The converter's stuck.
Oh, in the transmission?
Yeah, the converter won't come out of transmission.
Well, don't. Let's get the unit out here in the open where you have more space.
Dude, I think we're fucked.
And then try and.
It will not. I've never had a converter not slide out.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, that thing's stuck in there, dude.
Yeah, let's get the unit out here where we got more space, and then we can try and wiggle it and shit and get some pry bars behind it. Because maybe it's.
God, just break the converter.
I don't know. Did he just break the converter? No, probably not. There's wiggle room. I think it's probably got a good grip on the seal.
Nah, it's hitting something hard. I can push it in and pull it about a quarter inch. And I pull it and it goes kink.
Damn, dude. Oh, shit. Hold on. I had my hand over the speakerphone. I don't know if you heard all that.
Hopefully you can.
Yeah. Damn. Hold on.
Freaking stuck, dude.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it's got that, like... Oh, there it is. Is that it?
Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, fuck.
Get some movement, but damn, what the fuck was it caught on?
Well, it's cracked.
Oh, shit.
Snout's cracked.
Snout's cracked. See?
Oh, it's got a wear. Look at that. There's a lip.
Oh, damn.
That's what it was catching on. I don't think anything else is hurt. So, yeah, good thing we're sending the converter in to get freshened up. Nothing else looks bad. So it was getting stuck inside that bearing in the...
Yeah, it was getting stuck inside the seal.
Yeah, there's a hell of a lip.
How the fuck did that happen?
Oh, just wearing. I almost wonder if the converter was too far in. And it smashed here.
Yeah.
And it mushroomed it.
Yeah.
I've never had a converter do that though.
That's weird.
I mean,
I've seen a couple YouTube videos.
So yeah, the converter was stuck. We got it popped out, sent it in, and realized we made a converter slushy inside it. So I ended up having to order a new one. And good converters aren't cheap, obviously. So we also had to get a different transmission case. There was a newer model case. It's like a 74 model case instead of the 71 that was in it. So we upgraded that. Got a bunch of billet stuff for the accumulators, and put the Raybestos clutches, Kevlar band, all new seals, everything in it. Got it all torn apart, prepped the case for everything, got it all put together, built, got it in the car, and we got about 15 miles on it, just street driving. So we are going to take it out, and I'm going to drive it to the track, and we're going to go out and see if it runs a little better than what it did. So we got some new front tires on it. Motor's pretty well all the same. Got the steering column sticking problem fixed. It's got a horn in it now. Still on drag radials. Oh, and another thing. We got us a trailer hitch. So now we just got to test and make sure we are going to be able to do race week. And so that's what we're going to do tonight. We're going to take it out there and see if we can pop off a little bit faster than what it used to before it went 1090 on the old transmission and converter. So if it goes out there and runs anything better than a 1090 in this horrible air that we have tonight, then we'll know we're heading in the right direction. And then we'll start backing it off and try to get that 11.0, get that sweet 11.0 tune up to see if we can be competitive in Rocky Mountain Race Week. So we're gonna jump in the car and got all our stuff loaded up in the truck. They're gonna follow me and we're gonna head on out to the racetrack. Didn't overheat it. It got up to about 210 was the highest it got, and the transmission got to about 180, and that was doing 62, 63 mile an hour down the highway. So now we're just waiting in line to pay to get in, and we'll start. Really ain't got to turn it around to make it a race car. It's got the radials on it already. We just got to check tire pressure, make sure the bottle's up, cool it down a little bit, and make a hit. See what we can do. All right, guys. Roll up in the staging lanes, gonna make our first lick. We have not changed anything on the tune-up from when we went to Thunder Valley and ran the 1090. So, just want to see what the new converter will do. And a fresh transmission that actually shifts. Never know. Brakes don't sound good. All right, just got back. Car went 1103. I think it slowed down a little bit, but it's a brand new converter, brand new transmission, first pass on it. Didn't break up, car went straight down Broadway. So just gonna cool her off, turn around. If it makes an 11.0 or 11.01 pass, probably just gonna call it a night because that's what we need. We don't need to be running 1090s, 1080s. So, God, it's loud. All right, guys, making our second pass several hours later. But hopefully we can get closer to that 11.0.
that pass wasn't too great. It went 11:08. I think I spun just a hair, enough to kill about a couple hundredths off the 60 foot. So we're going to recamp. I'm gonna charge the battery up, cool her down to where she's nice and ready for the drive home. And we got a little bit of a clearance issue with the tire, so we don't want to really make any more passes. We could throw another bottle in it and probably make a better hit, but yeah, we're starting to tear into the tire a little bit. So we're just gonna pack it up. That's gonna do it for today. I gotta make the trip home, which is about what, 15 miles? Not too bad. Plus it's dark, shouldn't be as hot. See you later. Well, made her home. Now, guess I can classify it as a street car now. It's push latte time. Y'all have a good evening.